Tinikman na po ni Isabel, guys, yung ating niluto. What are you eating?
Adobo.
Adobo. What Isabel? Wow, adobo. Likhandi deh ang bebe. Hi guys, good morning. Today is another day. So, ayun guys, nandito kami ngayon sa bahay namin. Bagong bahay. I mean, nagstay muna kami dito guys kasi ang dami pa talaga naming gagawin. So makikita nyo dito super kalat pa kasi nga hindi pa kami tapos guys. Nagstay lang talaga kami para mabilis maayos yung aming bahay, no? Para marami kaming time maglilinis kasi gigising na lang, tapos pagkagising, linis na agad. So, ganun. Kaya nandito kami. So, ngayon, nag-request po yung mga bata na magluluto na po ako ng what you want me to cook, anak?
Adobo.
Want me to cook adobo. So, ngayon, magluto tayong adobo, guys, kasi nami-miss po nilang mag-adobo. Kaya, yan. Sige. Umpisahan natin magluto ng adobo. So, ano pa talaga guys, makalat pa talaga guys. Inano lang talaga namin to. Ginawa na lang namin yung fridge, yung sofa, yung TV, and yung kwarto. And dito, hindi pa po siya tapos, no? So, ayan, makikita nyo dito, kalat-kalat pa siya. So, yung ano namin, yung mga kutsara, tinidor, plato, kunti pa rin yan. Yung kaya lang ng isang araw ba? Wash and wear. So, ngayon, meron tayong chicken kasi bumili ako kahapon ng chicken. And ayan siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan yung chicken natin. So, mamaya. Kasi wala pa kaming ano guys, yung ano namin. Kasi pakita ko sa inyo pala yung aming CR. Hindi pa siya tapos, no? And yung, andito pa rin yung aming washing machine. Hindi pa yan nakabit kasi yung aming tubero. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Tapos na siya dito sa flooring and tapos siya dito sa may shower. Ilalagay na lang yung ano guys. Iba kasi yung maglalagay ng shower eh. Ngayon, busy kasi. Uy, bakit umupin yung pintuan? Kakatakot naman. Kakatakot naman. I-close natin to guys. So, okay, naka-open yung heating natin. So, ayun na. Ngayon, finally, nandito na kami sa bahay, no? Hinahinay lang kami talaga. Iba yung gumagawa kasi, ano, makita nyo, wala pa yung banyo. Wala pa yung banyo. Wala pa yung toilet and bidet. Tinanggal. Tsaka yung sink dyan, wala. So, ang ginagamit namin yung isang toilet muna ang ginagamit namin kasi meron naman doon lahat, no? Ay! Toilet daw, sabi ni Isabel, magpupo daw siya doon. No, Adisa, no. Nun siya, Cora, nun siya. So, ayun na nga, guys, na magluto na tayo, guys. Sige. So, ayun guys, sinusuti ko na yung ating chicken and garlic and onions. And, hintayin na lang natin magba-brown yun guys. Ha? See, bring all. And, Papa Tony will go outside to register the basura guys. Kasi you have to pay here for the basura, no, babe? The basura, you have to pay, how much, babe, every year? Every 6 months. 400 euro? 400 euro every year. That's already year? Yeah. 400 euro every year. How much that one in peso, babe? It's like
30,000.
30,000? It's 30,000 pesos guys. Every year buy kami ng basura. And ayan. Si Tony lang yung pupunta doon and nag-ano lang ako ng authorization letter para siya na yung kasi nakapangalan po sa akin lahat talaga guys ng mga ano dito. So actually sa akin lahat yung nakapangalan yung mga billings nga dito. And si Tony lang yung pupunta doon. Pero syempre no, tulong-tulungan naman kaming dalawa no. Wala namang problema sa akin yun guys and may kita naman ako na. So walang problema talaga sa akin yun. And kaya what is this good smell? What is that good smell? You think what is it? Your favorite! Tingnan mo guys, it's very cold. My back, it's very hurting. It's too painful. As he is still wearing summer. Adobo! Adobo! Adobo si adobo.
Adobo.
Adobo! Agay, my back is very pain. Agay, Michael. Adobo, sabi ni Isabel. Adobo daw. Adobo. Isabel gonna eat adobo. 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 She gonna eat adobo. You gonna eat adobo? You like adobo? No? You gonna eat adobo? And rice? Huh? Hello, adobo. I'm gonna eat my baby girl adobo. You are bullying it, man. Ay, you ask Asya to clean your face, day. Ask Asya to clean your face, day. Bullying it. Sige, guys. Ayun, tapusin ko muna to. So, oh, dinagahan ko na naman yung sauce natin, guys, kasi favorite nila yung sauce. And of course, yung ating rice. So, nakulangan yung ating rice. Ayan, maliit, konti lang. So, magbukas tayo nito, guys. Meron tayong rice na ito. 2 kilo. 2 kilo. Yung ating rice dito. Napakamahal-mahal. Tinikman na po ni Isabel, guys, yung ating niloto. What are you eating?
Adobo.
Adobo. How is it, adobo? Show them how is it. One more. Aspita. Show me first. How is it, adobo? How is it? Buona. Adobo. Again. What are you eating again? Adobo. Diba? Pa naman yan nga, baby. I love so much man adobo. Tinikman na po niya adobo, guys. And nagustuhan po niyo. Adobo. No, Angkor, I'm still cooking the rice. Cannot wait na, guys, mga kids. So, ayun, guys. So, we eating now. And wala pa kaming hapin sa aming lamisa kasi nga, in-order ko pa. Hindi pa dumating. And, ayan. Nabasa po kanina. Kaya tinanggal ko yung...
Masarap.
Ha?
Masarap.
Guys, look. Ano mo si Michael? Wow. How is it, Isabel? Isabel! Adobo. Wada Isabel, wow. Very independent baby. Wada. She doesn't let mama to feed her, you know. She eat alone. She eat by herself. Of course. Isabel. Yeah, I'm gonna eat as well. Oh no, I give you some spoon, anak, I think. Gamay, maliit yung aking plato kasi hindi ko pa nahugasan.
Yummy.
Wow.
Semi-close.
Been long time we didn't eat it.
Mama, we say the same things. Mama, we say the same things.
Wada, Isabel. Wow, adobo. Left-handed ang bebe? Left-handed?
Let's try the chicken.
Huh?
It's very yummy.
Yeah, huh?
Let's try the chicken. It's very yummy. Let's try the chicken.
Wow.
I miss this thing.
Michael, hold properly the spoon, Michael. Isabel, hold properly the niyo, Michael. Wala, Isabel, hold properly.
Mama, I miss
No,
this
not to po, Vicino. Kasi, ay, silos daw. But you just eat there in the fiesta.
Adobo, no.
Non siya adobo. Non siya adobo. Say non siya adobo na Isabel. Wow! So, ang sarap talaga, guys. Matagal kami hindi nakakain itong adobo. When was the last time we ate adobo? We were there in other house, no? Huh? Hindi na, we didn't cook. Never cook adobo. Belaria. Where is our house there in the sea? That's where the last time that we eat adobo. I give you like that. That's no problem. Ayaw po magpasubo ni Isabel. Siya lang po talaga. Kanya-kanya kami try nito. Si Tony po, nandun po siya sa may basura ba? Nag-register sa basura. Para, kasi kinukulik kasi yung basura namin dito house to house din, no? Dati kasi, kami lang yung magtatapon dun sa labas. Kung nga, hindi na. Doesn't fit, anak na si Starry, doesn't fit. Porque that's the other one that can fit that one. Other one, wala na si Starry. Humok kayo ang chicken.
I love.
Matagal na dapat ako magluto ng adobo doon kila Nono. Kaso lang, they don't eat man. Nona eat, Gia eat, but Nono is very difficult. Because, No want always veggies daw, sabi ni Asa. Yes, you want to like but I told him that veggies is very important, ha? I eat all the day, yeah. That's why no arrived at 92 because it always healthy, anak. Michael, it's still color your hands. You didn't wash it. That's the color. Water. It's really yummy. Wow.
I like this starch.
Very good, huh? Good, huh? Hi, Michael. Michael, thumbnail. Isabel, thumbnail. Uy. Guys, kumuha ko ng dukot. May dukot, oh. May dukot. Dukot.
Yeah, tayo meron pico na kasi.
Gusto pa ni Michael ng ano? Ng... Want more.
I want you for Christmas.
Michael wants more. Little bit only, okay? Want more, Michael?
Michael. Mama.
Kainin. There's no sauce. Nothing sauce. Oh, good. I'll give you some chicken, anak. Michael want some chicken?
Kanya walang pera.
Oh, no. Kasi sauce siya, so I'll give you anak little bit, anak. There is more rice, but still. Want more chicken?
Daddy's gonna eat too.
See, because Tony liked the sauce and there's no sauce anymore. I thought I put a lot, but it's ano ba, sinipsip ba yung sauce. Kaya gusto ko pag nagluluto talaga ako maraming sauce kasi they like so much. Alright, Isabel, I don't like it. Isabel, no me piace così, anak. No me piace così, okay? Capito, mama? Well, I'm still cooking. Oh, I love it. That's my favorite. Also, Isabel. Yeah, Michael. So, ayun lang naman guys, no? And super nag-enjoy yung mga bata. Finish! Michael, second plate. Finish! Isabel! Finish!
Mama, if we are in the Philippines, I'm
Ang guwapa.
malunggay.
Malunggay daw. Di miss malunggay.